Alright, this is a video tour of Excalibur 12256 in the Resorts Tower. And as you can see, no offense, but it's exactly about how you thought it would be. Strange
it's clean, I'll give it that.
mirror on the back. There's a light bulb out right here. I mean, bathrooms so-so. This is a staywell, 2 queen as well, strip view. So definitely different than Delano, for sure. The bathroom mirror, I mean, it's all right. I mean, it's about what you would think it would be for, there's a light in here, but you got a little closet, the usual stuff you expect. This has a connecting room, and there's just 2 of us, so I don't know who we're connecting it to. Interesting artwork. But little lamp. Let's see if I can turn this thing on. Yep, turn it on. But 2 bed, 2 queens. TV, dresser. Is the safe in here? Yeah, the safe is in here. Oh god, safe is in here. And then I guess they got rid of the fridge, or it's somewhere. I guess the fridge. They don't have a fridge in here. I don't think so.
No, they got rid of the fridge.
Yeah, so they got rid of the fridge, so there is no fridge, which is, I guess, better because now you have more room, but you don't really use the fridge. Little mirror, table, chair, an AC unit thing. This is the staywell humidifier thing. So if you see staywell, you're gonna get that, and then this is outside of the strip view. I mean, I don't know. Not much of a strip view. What do you think, Big S?
I just checked. It's not actually a strip view reservation.
So
it's a staywell, 2 queen resort rooms.
So it's
I'll give it that.
It's not technically a strip view, but it is the staywell.
I'll put it this way: without the comps, this room is completely free.
That's true.
It's just deposit. You got to put a deposit down. It's $100.
Yeah.
So which isn't bad.
And,
it's a good deal. So if you want to come stay at the strip,
yeah,
then you have a good deal. But if you were to pay with the non-member charge, or just like a non-MGM rewards charge, which would probably be like $150 after resort fee and tax, or maybe around that on busy weekends per day, you might as well just go stay at like Mom's or something.
I agree. Yeah. If you're gonna pay the same amount to get something here, at least, I mean, the benefit is you're on the strip. The other side of the coin is you could go somewhere like Palms and actually have probably a little bit nicer room off the strip and
more space.
Kitchen,
no resort fee, and a balcony.
I agree.
They have a view of the whole strip, but
yeah,
it depends on what you want to do. But we also like renting a car too. So when you have a car, you can pretty much stay anywhere. So that also helps.
I agree.
You just want to come to the strip, and like we done before when we stayed. We don't get a car. You just walk around. Sometimes you don't really care about the room. You're just like, it's just nice. I'm not gonna be there at all. But
yeah.
If you have a room you want to go back to and chill, it definitely wouldn't be that type of room.
No.
Unless you're just like,
if you're not gonna be in a room at all, then this is probably it, because we checked in yesterday and we just showed up today because we double booked at Delano. So if anything, if you're gonna double book, maybe this would be the better way to go about it.
Do it with a place like this. Don't
Yeah.
double book with another place that's just as nice.
I agree.
There's no reason to.
Yep.
Unless it's free, just go with the free option for the double book.
I agree. So, all right, let us know what you think. Excalibur 1212256 Resort Tower.
Signing off.
Signing off. Full swing TT.